MUJI is a Japanese retail company whose design philosophy is minimalism, reducing and recycling. Their name is derived from Mujirushi Ryohin, translated as no brand goods. This MUJI Hotel in Ginza opened in April 2019. It's Japan's first MUJI hotel, the third globally after Shenzhen and Beijing, both in China. It has 79 guest rooms, a multi-storey global flagship store, and design galleries. They have a restaurant with local specialties called WA. They also have a diner, a bakery, and a salon. With a focus on wood, stone, and air, the interior features repurposed paving stones from trolleyways that ran through Tokyo 100 years ago and materials recycled from actual ship debris in its design. I have a reservation. You can check in from 5 p.m. and check out at 11 a.m. I got a room for one person one night for 12,000 yen. That's around 110 US dollars. The room features nice natural colors, white, brown, and gray. In the bathroom you have a high-tech Japanese toilet. All appliances in the room can be bought in MUJI. The room comes with tea, coffee and snacks with no extra costs. On the room's desk, among other things, you can find a MUJI design book and a tablet. There are several things you can do with this tablet. Use the air conditioner, open and close the curtain, set an alarm, turn on and off the lights and adjust the brightness, Your room also has a Bluetooth speaker. Once you check into the hotel, they give you the room key along with an essential oil to choose from grapefruit and lavender, and an amulet. The amulet contains a map of the area around the hotel with safety instructions and a whistle. They also give you a paper with instructions for the room, including a list of items you can take home. I got these 3 coupons for a value of 1,000 yen each. You can use these coupons at the MUJI store, MUJI Diner, WA restaurant, and their salon. You also have a closet in your room, but I must say the closet for the one-person room is not really wide. You don't have much space to leave your clothes. Inside the closet you'll find a safety box, slippers, a nightwear, and shoe shine papers, among other things. From your window you can admire the view of Ginza, with big buildings surrounding. It's time for dinner! At the basement you have MUJI Diner. Here you can have lunch and dinner. They open at 11 AM and close at 8 PM. Last order is at 7 PM. MUJI Diner has a nice cozy atmosphere. There are many seats available too, so I'm sure you're gonna find a place to sit. I decided to try their tofu set meal. It includes rice, a salad, and some pickled meals. It costs 1,150 yen. The taste is good. The texture of the tofu is really soft. I particularly enjoy the salad and the pickle meals. I wouldn't say it's a great meal, but I guess it's a good place to eat if you've been shopping at MUJI store. You have a nice amount of food, so you're gonna be full after eating it. It's time to take a shower. I gotta say the water pressure is not really strong. I decided to use the nightwear they offer. It's pretty comfortable, really soft. Tomorrow I want to have lunch at WA restaurant. They say you have to make a reservation if you want to order their set menu. So I'm going to the reservation website. It's kind of tricky if you don't know Japanese because everything is in, well, Japanese. They don't have an option for English translation. Well, dinner was good and so far I'm enjoying the stay, but it's time to sleep now. Tomorrow I'll have to check out at 11. Before that, I will have breakfast at the bakery, and I have my reservation at WA restaurant at 11:30. Good night. Good morning. I'm gonna get ready to go to the bakery. Bakery opens from 7:30 AM on the weekdays and from 10 at the weekend. The entrance to MUJI store located right next to the hotel opens from 11 AM, so I have to go to the opposite street to use the main entrance. There are many fresh pastries you can choose from. I decided to go with this sweet bean paste croissant, a croque monsieur, an almond croissant, and a curry bread. Now let's go to the room to have breakfast. I decided to have some coffee with the pastries, so I'm gonna use the complimentary coffee that comes with the room. The croque monsieur has a really nice taste. It's kind of a cheese toast with ham. The curry bread has an amazing taste. The bread itself, it's really soft, and the fill is a delicious curry sauce. Sadly, it's time to check out and say goodbye to our room. Due to COVID, their actual schedule is different from the one you can find at their website, so be careful with that. Underneath the hotel, you have the biggest MUJI flagship store in Japan, with 6 floors. First floor has a grocery store with all kinds of food, including snacks, dry fruit, and their bento lunchbox, which changes every day. First floor also has the bakery we already visited for breakfast. Second floor has men and women's wear. Third floor has cosmetics, bags, other wear like socks, and the item people tend to relate the most with MUJI, stationery. Fourth floor has kids wear, home appliances like kitchenware, and books. And fifth floor has furniture like sofas, tables, and chairs. On the sixth floor, you have a design library, the Salon, WA Restaurant, and MUJI Hotel's front desk. From there until 10th floor, you have all the guest rooms. Right next to the Salon, you have Atelier MUJI, is a gallery that holds exhibitions relating to craftsmanship and design. You can get goods related to the exhibitions at their shop. It's time for lunch at WA Restaurant. The vibe of the restaurant is really cozy and calming, with a simple and pretty design. I decided to go for the Rosakana Ozen, their fish ozen set. The very first impression of the food is amazing. It's so beautiful. It's a good sample of a traditional Japanese meal. It includes a seasonal fish, in this case mackerel, marinated in miso, chicken tempura, miso soup, rice, pickles, and ponzu sauce. The price is 1,450 yen, and it's really worth it. Everything is delicious. The texture and taste of the fish is amazing, as well as the chicken. You can refill the rice and miso soup as much as you want, and you can add a drink apart from the complimentary water for some extra yen. The staff is really friendly and can speak English. They also have an English menu. Oh, and make sure to bring this with you when you're gonna pay. Well, that was all. I enjoyed my stay at MUJI Hotel. There are some things that could be improved to make it even better, like a stronger water pressure, or to make it more foreign friendly, including more information in English. And they should definitely update their new timetable of their website. But overall, it was a nice stay. I really enjoyed it. I really like the simple design of the hotel. They have many items you could take from the room, and in general, I enjoy MUJI items. I really like their simple design. I also enjoy the restaurant, the gallery, and their store. Location is pretty good too, especially if you're into shopping. So overall, I think it's a good place to stay for a foreigner. See you next time.